Guess what? Unfortunately, you have failed 2021. The mistake that we do as people is that we plan, yet we do not follow through. We have big ideas, we have big dreams which we want to achieve. We always dream that we want this, we want big houses. But the question is, do we really follow through? Take instant this hat. It's a nice black hat. And take my head as the ideas which I have as I start my new year 2021. I'm filled with energy, I'm filled with life. I'm telling people around me, I'm telling myself that I'm going to make it, I'm going to achieve. But the minute I put on my hat, the minute I put on this hat represents everything that's blocking me. It can be somebody telling me that I won't make it. It can be me, myself, putting myself down. It can be me shooting for the sky, but not following through. It can be me trying to do all that can be done each day, but I am still failing to do so. Things that we need to understand is that no matter how much you can plan, no matter how much you can wake up and have a plan of doing something big with your life, as long as you do not follow through, you will fail in each and everything that you are doing. There is a huge difference between doing something and not doing something. When you say I am going to do something, it does not necessarily mean that you have taken the action. It simply means that you are thinking about doing something about it. But in order for you to take a step in this new year, which is 2021, in this new and brighter year, is for you to actually start with your journey, is for you to stand up and do all that can be done each and every day of your life. Because if you do not begin with one step, then you're already planning for failure. Take, for example, somebody goes to a gym. It takes 1 day, 2 days, 3 days without seeing results, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And on the 4th week, you start seeing the small light, which you told yourself that on that day one, I am going to follow through. 2020 has taught us a lot of things. To me, it has taught us that we need to start. It has taught us it is time for us to take that one step forward in being better people and starting this journey called life and taking the challenges and putting action and stop talking things into air. 2020 has not begun, but all I know is that 2021 will be better. I like to say 2021 is going to be 2020 because we have taken this 2020 as a learning curve for us to recuperate and have a self-introspection as we were self-isolated. But now when we enter 2021, we are going to be people who are brighter people, people who are fresh and ready, people who will follow through. This is your life. Begin that journey. When you take that one step, let it be 2, let it be 3, let it be 4, and once you know it, you would be taking 1,000 steps. Cheers.